Guys, for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is itong bagong loan service na na-approve sa akin just recently. Hindi ito naging available sa akin last year, but nung nakita ko yung review ni Ate Red, which is this, chinek ko rin naman yung sa akin kung meron ako. And to my surprise, meron ding inalok sa akin or pwede na rin akong mag-apply ng Lazada Fast Cash. So ano ba tong Lazada Fast Cash na to? And approve ba ako o denied din naman ako dito? Well, it's for us to find out. Samahan niyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, yeah. So, yun nga, nakita ko sa channel ni Ate Red na
Uy, may review si Ate Red about Lazada Fast Cash.
pero ako guys, marami na rin nagsabi sa akin, nagre-request na i-review ko tong Lazada Fast Cash na to. However, last year, hindi naman ako pinalad na mabigyan ng access or application dito sa Lazada Fast Cash. So, wala akong way to review this. And to my surprise nga, after ko makita yung review ni Ate Red, chinek ko yung sa akin kung meron ako, and I saw na naka-enable na yung application sa akin for Lazada Fast Cash. So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin for today. So, i-check muna natin yung information about Lazada Fast Cash before we drill in dun sa application process, sa loan, etc. So, eto. What is Lazada Fast Cash? Lazada Fast Cash is a new digital credit product that allows qualified user to apply for an instant cash loan of up to 80,000. So, up to 80,000 pala yung kaya nilang i-provide na loan. If I remember it correctly, hindi ko alam kung magkano sa S-loan, pero ang pinakamataas ko sa S-loan ay around 50,000. Hindi ko alam kung yun na yung maximum limit sa S-loan, pero ito, 80,000, which is much better, I think. Approved credit can be withdrawn to your bank account or e-wallet to use outside of Lazada app for personal use and payable up to 12 months. Please note that this is currently only open to pre-qualified user at the moment. So, yeah, parang same nga siya ng S-Loan. Hindi rin siya para sa lahat. So, sa mga pre-qualified na mga user lang. And eto, masasabi ko, this is up to 12 months versus kay S-Loan na yung experience ko is up to 6 months lang per loan. So, si Lazada Fast Cash, hindi actually si Lazada ang nagfa-finance netong loan service na to. There are three major players. Nandiyan si Atome, si CIMB, and si One Hand. Yes, si One Hand, si Atome, and si CIMB. So, maliban kay CIMB, both Atome and One Hand are sort of online lending app. So, makikita talaga natin na legit talaga tong dalawang loan service na to. Kasi, galing kay Lazada, si Lazada partnering with those online lending app. So, now, let's head over dun sa Lazada app to check itong offer nga ng Lazada Fast Cash. Okay, so ito na yung Lazada natin. Click nyo lang dito sa my account. Tapos, i-scroll nyo sa baba yung may Lazada wallet. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, nakalagay sa akin, Fast Cash Credit. Ayan, up to 80,000 activate. O, diba? So, check natin yan. So, pag clinic natin yan, ayan, makikita natin ito. With Lazada Fast Cash, avail of instant cash loan and get a limit up to 80,000. Click natin yung activate. Yan, instant loan up to 80,000. Instant withdraw and payable for up to 12 months. So, ito daw, why Lazada Fast Cash? Interest is from 0.1% daw, 2 minutes approval, and instant withdrawal. So, merong asterisk. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung asterisk na yan. So, click natin yung loan simulation. Try natin yung 10,000. So, sa 10,000 daw, 12 months to pay, calculate natin yan. 1,241.33 times 12. It would give us around 14,895.96. Minus natin yung principal na 10,000. Bali, ang interest na babayaran daw natin for 12 months is 4,895.96. I-divide natin to by 10,000 para makuha natin yung percentage. Lumalabas na 48.96% ang APR niya. I-divide natin to by 12 para makita natin yung monthly add-on interest. So, lumalabas na 4.07 or 0.8 ang monthly interest. Kung i-compare natin, credit cards are 3% and then ito naman, 4%. So, medyo okay. na rin naman kahit papano. So, pang-upgrade daw ng bahay, pang-holiday, pang-travel, worry-free holiday. Help your work and business. Pwede rin natin gamitin sa pag-business, which is a good reason to get a loan. Okay yan kasi ginagamit mo yung loan para mas kumita pa. Diba? May pambayad ka dun sa niloan mo. Okay, click natin yung please confirm. Magsasend to ng SMS sa cellphone number. Sync fast application with Lazada Pay Later to activate faster. Please take a selfie so that we can verify your identity and protect your Lazada account. This is to ensure that your faces matches your ID. At least naman, may face recognition sila or face verification. Kasi mahirap na kung ibang tao ang maglo-loan, di ba? At least kung nag-face verification at nag-fail, yung face verification na go through, tas ibang tao nag-loan, well, hindi na natin kasalanan yun. So after nyan, application submitted, we are reviewing now. 99% of our customer will get the result within 5 minutes. Fast Cash application is under review. We got your application. Please check back in 24 hours. So balik tayo, view, parang wala naman nangyari. However guys, ito yung masasabi ko. After 2 minutes, nakita ko sa inbox ko na nag-email si Lazada. Ayan, Lazada. And nakalagay dyan, Lazada Fast Cash application approved. Dear customer, congratulations. Your Lazada Fast Cash has been activated. Enjoy your credit limit of 10,500 pesos. I-check natin yan sa Lazada app. So, dun ulit, balik tayo sa account. Tapos, ayan o. Fast Cash credit, 10,500. So, ano ba makikita natin dito? Loan history, wala naman. So, syempre, blanco yan. And then, repayment, blanco. Ito, try natin mag-calculate. Hindi available sa akin yung 12 months right now. So, 10,500 lang. Kung ito yung gagamitin natin, 10,000. Ang monthly repayment daw natin for 6 months is 2,170. Check natin kung parehas yung interest rate nung compute natin kanina versus dito. Try na lang natin 10,000 para exact. 2,066.67 times 6, lalabas sa 12,400 ang total repayment natin. I-minus natin yung 10,000. Lumalabas sa 2,004 ang interest natin, and then i-divide natin yan by 10,000 para makuha natin yung percentage. Yan, lumalabas na for 6 months, it's 24%. Dahil 6 months siya, divide natin yan by 6. So, lumalabas na 4%. Mas mababa dahil yung kanina ay 4.07%. So, yung APR naman niya ay lumalabas na 48% per annum. Almost the same naman din sa kaninang kinalculate natin. So, ang tanong natin ngayon, sino ang nagpautang sa akin? Si Atome ba? Posible si Atome kasi si Atome, meron naman magandang record kay Atome. So, walang problema. Kay CIMB ba? Well, may account naman ako kay CIMB, may G-credit ako. Clinose nga lang yung previous na Revi credit ko, pero wala naman akong negative credit line with them. So, sila ba? Or si One Hand na hindi naman ako naglo-loan sa kanila? Yan, tingnan natin. So, para malaman natin kung sino ang nag-finance ng ating Fast Cash Credit, ay click natin tong parang hexagon na to. Ayan, makikita natin na si One Hand. One Hand Privacy Policy ay yung meron dito. Si One Hand ang nagpautang sa atin or nagpa-finance ng pautang sa atin. Ito yung sa Fast Cash. Pero tingnan natin yung Lazada Pay Later kung sino nag-finance sa akin. So, click natin ulit yung hexagon. Ito naman si Akulaku. So, makikita natin kung sino ang magpa-finance natin pag click natin yung hexagon dun sa upper right. So, feeling ko guys, parang mas mababa to. Kasi 'di ba kay One Hand, nasa pag dun sa app kayo maglo-loan, nasa around 0.49% per day ang interest. Kung yun ang i-calculate natin, 0.49 per day times 30 days, lumalabas sa 14.7 or around 15% per month, di ba? Kung i-compare mo yun kay Lazada Fast Cash, nasa around 4% lang yun. Kung ako yun guys feeling ko mas okay umutang dito kay Lazada Fast Cash Credit versus sa app mismo ni One Hand. But later on, let's review further si One Hand and make a comparison between the two para makita natin yung in-depth na pagkakaiba ni Fast Cash Credit powered by One Hand and yung One Hand na loan app itself. So basically, yan yung show and tell natin about Lazada Fast Cash. For you to have access on Lazada Fast Cash, kailangan natin syempre is verified na Lazada account. Meaning, nakapag-face verification na tayo, nakapag-submit tayo ng ID, and you are of legal age para magkaroon ng Lazada account. And basically, yun lang. And then, with your transactions with Lazada, medyo nagagamit yan in evaluating your eligibility with loan service dito kay Lazada. So basically, it helps na nagtatransact kayo, bumibili kayo dito kay Lazada. So for our question of the day po, sa tingin nyo, bakit mas mababa ang interest dito sa pautang ni One Hand under Lazada versus the interest dito sa app ni One Hand? Bakit? Anong meron? Bakit mas mababa sa Lazada versus sa app ni One Hand. Ano sa tingin nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Eileen CM7032. Shoutout po Sir Pat, always watching sa mga video nyo. Thank you po. At Eileen CM7032, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para mag-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!